If your Android phone is always running out of storage and you keep seeing the message storage full, this video is for you because today I'm going to show you how to increase storage on Android in 2026 in a simple, fast, and practical way without needing complicated apps or technical knowledge. So stay until the end because some of these tricks can free up a huge amount of space on your phone. Let's get started. First, you need to understand something important. You don't always need more physical storage. Most of the time, you just need to clean and optimize the space you already have. Number 1, use Google Files to free up space. This is one of the easiest ways to start. How to do it? Download the Google Files app from the Play Store. Open it, go to the Clean section, and you will see automatic recommendations such as junk files, cache files, duplicate files, large videos, and apps you rarely use. Just select them and delete, and in a few seconds, you can free up several gigabytes. Number 2, clear app. Cache many apps store unnecessary data over time. How to do it? Go to Settings, then Apps, select the app you want. Tap Storage and press Clear Cache. This does not delete your important data, but it removes hidden files that build up over time. Number 3, use cloud storage. One of the best ways to increase storage is to not rely only on your phone. You can use services like Google Photos, Google Drive, or OneDrive. How to do it? Enable automatic backup for photos and videos, then delete them from your device while keeping them safely stored in the cloud. This frees up space without losing anything important. Number 4, uninstall apps you don't use. This sounds obvious, but most people have apps installed that they haven't opened in months. How to do it? Go to Settings, Apps, and check which ones take up the most space. If you don't use them, just uninstall them. You can also keep light versions of some apps if available. Number 5, move files to an SD card or USB drive if your phone supports it. Some Android devices still allow expandable storage. How to do it? Insert an SD card or connect a USB drive using an OTG adapter. Then move large files like photos, videos, and documents to external storage. Now, let's be honest, most people think they need to buy a new phone when storage runs out. But in reality, with proper cleaning and organization, you can recover a lot of space without spending money. So to summarize, how to increase storage on Android in 2026. Use Google Files to clean storage. Clear app cache, use cloud storage and install unused apps, and use SD card or USB storage if available. Because honestly, your Android probably has more available space than you think.